Welcome, my friends. Today's Black Friday here in America, and you know it's where all things go down. The deals are usually quite crazy, and our friend Suno, I guess this is their peace offering, trying to make peace with us, but I ain't buying it. But nonetheless, if you are looking to buy Suno, as I know some of you told me a few days ago you were looking to get Suno and then you kind of held off. Well, I think they're coming to you. They're beckoning to you with this Black Friday deal. 40% off Pro and Premier plans. Crazy. Look at that. It's a drop. The biggest drop of the year is here. Black Friday. Explore the plans. Don't sleep on it. Get more of what you love. So over here, we have from November 24th to Monday, December 1st, get 40% off annual Pro and Premier plans or 20% off monthly subscriptions for both web and mobile. Suno's Black Friday music deal is excellent for creators who've been waiting to upgrade. What a timely announcement, Suno. Grab Suno's Black Friday deal before it expires. So here's a quick table. The Pro annual plan 40% off, Premier annual plan 40% off, monthly plans 20% off, web and mobile, these are available. And honestly, Suno isn't a bad deal. It's not. I'm not going to lie. As we know it today, but that remains to be seen what happens when they begin deprecating the stuff. So it says Pro and Premier users get a range of tools that allow for amazing creative control. Pro's tier's biggest advantage is access to Suno's version 5, the most advanced music creation model to date. Upgrading to Pro also unlocks Song Editor. And then it says rearrange and rewrite sections and split a song into 12 stems. Users stepping up to the Premiere plan can then move on to Suno Studio, the first ever AI-native Digital Audio Workstation. I don't know if Moises would agree with you there. With Suno Studio, you can combine an all-in-browser DAW. Now you're calling it a DAW. Come on, guys. I don't know if I should call it a full-blown DAW, but I'm not going to argue on the minutia. Folks, it's one of a kind. There's no other like it. It is very smart and it will amuse you. So go ahead. You know what to do. Go ahead and get it. Okay? This is the pricing, and it's not going to stay this way forever. Okay? And that's from Suno, straight from the horse's mouth. But as far as I'm concerned, I don't have a Black Friday deal, right, for you guys and girls. But what I do have is a free idea pad. I call it Phil's Idea Pad. And I'm going to take you to my idea pad. My idea pad is a very simple tool that I built to help those of you who want to create, to put down ideas into a recorder. I know lots of you have already got recorders, but if you go on down to philc.net and you go to Idea Lab and click on it, it will open up my very humble, very, very humble beta version of my 4-track audio recorder. Very, very humble. So you could hit solo if you just want to record one track and not hear others. You press that for record. You're kind of arming the track. And then you record the normal way you record, and there's the time. You can see the time. And when you're done, you just stop. And then if you wanted to download the mix of whatever you recorded, you could do that. So let's get it off that. So you could do that. And this is a beta version. I'm still working on this version, getting there slowly but surely. But anyway, that's all for the Black Friday buzz. I hope you are able to get Suno if you're thinking of getting it. And if not, you have a lovely rest of your long weekend. I know some of you got Friday off. But have a great rest of the weekend, and we'll continue the discussion. What happens next with Suno and the others? Bye for now.